guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here's the iOS 13 running on the iPhone 7. I want to review the camera app. Still, the camera app is a lot of to desire, to be honest with you. I mean, for example, I want to capture this picture, right, like this. Okay, is that good? I mean, you can't do a lot of stuff. You can't easily change the 4K or whatever you want to record, to be honest with you. I mean, video, there's like no setting. I mean, if you wanna do the setting, change the setting of the camera, we have to go to settings, sadly, which I hate. With the camera app. Okay. I mean, this is the worst feature of iPhone. Yeah, camera. Yeah, from here you can easily change. The camera app is quite bad, I wanna be honest. Yeah, even running on the iOS 13, the camera is good, the app is bad. The camera app is quite bad. My quick review. I don't like it.